please subscribe to this channel right now because today's video is not just about an old coin. Today's video is about memories, history, pride, and a small copper coin that quietly passed through millions of hands in the 1970s, never shouting, never shining, yet hiding a story so powerful that most people still don't understand its true importance. When people hear the word penny, they usually think of something small, something ordinary, something that does not matter much anymore. Many people even leave pennies behind on counters or throw them into drawers, believing they have no real worth. But for those who lived through the 1970s, this Lincoln Memorial cent is not just a coin. It is a silent witness of one of the most challenging and changing decades in American history. The 1970s were not easy years. Inflation was rising, fuel prices were shocking families, factories were slowing down, and hardworking men worried about their jobs, their homes, and their children's future. In those days, this Lincoln Memorial cent was everywhere. It was in lunch pails, coat pockets, glove compartments, and glass jars sitting quietly on kitchen shelves. It bought newspapers, phone calls, candy for children, and sometimes it was the last coin left in a man's pocket after a long week of work. This coin carried the face of Abraham Lincoln, a man who understood struggle, division, sacrifice, and responsibility. For older generations, Lincoln was not just a president on a coin. He was a symbol of unity, strength, and honesty. Every time this coin changed hands, it reminded people of endurance and survival. That is why the Lincoln Memorial cent of the 1970s holds a deeper emotional value for those who lived through that era. The design itself speaks quietly but strongly. On one side, Lincoln's calm and serious expression reflects leadership during hard times. On the other side, the Lincoln Memorial stands firm, representing stability, democracy, and respect for history. Many people never notice the tiny details, the sharp lines, the balance of design because the coin was so common. Yet today, collectors look closely at those details with careful eyes and deep respect. During the 1970s, these cents were struck in massive numbers, but not all were the same. Some were made when machines were worn, some when metal quality slightly changed, and some when tiny mistakes happened during the minting process. These small differences were invisible to ordinary people at the time, but today they separate common coins from highly desirable pieces. For older men especially, holding a 1970s Lincoln Memorial cent can bring back powerful memories. Memories of long working hours, early mornings, factory whistles, handwritten paychecks, and careful budgeting. This coin traveled through an era when money was respected, saved, and stretched with discipline. People did not waste, and every cent mattered. Over the years, many of these coins were lost, damaged, or melted. Others were cleaned improperly, destroying their original surfaces. But a very small number survived in exceptional condition, untouched by harsh handling, preserved by chance or care. These surviving examples carry not just metal, but time itself. Collectors today value more than just age. They value condition, originality, strike quality, and historical context. A 1970s Lincoln Memorial cent with sharp details, strong color, and no major marks becomes something very different from the billions that once circulated freely. It transforms from spare change into a historical artifact. What makes this even more powerful is that during the 1970s, America went through economic pressure that affected the very metal used in coins. Copper prices rose, and discussions about changing coin composition became serious. This period marks the end of an era where solid copper cents were normal. That alone gives these coins special significance. For many older viewers, this coin feels familiar, almost personal. You may remember counting similar coins at the kitchen table, saving them in jars, or hearing the sound they made when dropped into a pocket. These memories connect directly to the heart, and that emotional connection is something no modern coin can replace. Today, experts study these coins with magnification, lighting, and years of experience. They look for exact spacing in letters, strength in Lincoln's hair details, clarity in the memorial columns, and the original red or red-brown color that shows the coin has not been mistreated. Every small detail tells a story. Some 1970s Lincoln Memorial cents stand out because of rare striking characteristics, unusual metal behavior, or exceptional preservation. These coins were never meant to be special. They were never advertised. They quietly existed while history moved forward. That quiet existence is what makes them so powerful now. For men who spent their lives working hard, providing for families and respecting history, this coin represents honesty and effort. It was never flashy. It never pretended to be more than it was. Yet today, it commands attention, respect, and serious interest from collectors around the world. This is why coin collecting is not just a hobby. It is a connection between generations. It is a way to hold history in your hand and remember where you came from. The 1970s Lincoln Memorial Cent is a bridge between past struggles and present understanding. Many people still unknowingly have these coins stored away. Old jars, drawers, boxes, and inherited collections may hold pieces that were never examined properly. Time has turned what was once ordinary into something remarkable. As years pass, fewer high-quality examples remain. Demand continues to rise, not only for rarity, but for the emotional and historical weight these coins carry. Older collectors understand this deeply because they lived through the era these coins represent. Now, after understanding the history, the emotion, the survival, and the silent strength of the 1970s Lincoln Memorial Cent, it is time to reveal what makes this coin stop conversations and turn heads in the collecting world. The true value that has stunned collectors and shocked many who once ignored this coin is $801011100